In today's fast-paced world, finding the perfect compact camera can be a game-changer for photography enthusiasts and casual shooters alike. Whether you're exploring a bustling city, capturing family memories, or embarking on a nature adventure, a compact camera offers the perfect balance of portability and advanced features. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best compact cameras available, highlighting their unique capabilities, image quality, and user-friendly designs. Join us as we help you discover the ideal camera to elevate your photography experience. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. GoPro HERO12 Black, our find for best underwater compact camera. If you're seeking an exceptional underwater camera, the GoPro HERO12 Black is designed to meet and exceed your expectations. This compact camera offers an impressive video capture resolution of 5.3K, which provides 91% more detail than standard 4K and a striking 665% more than 1080p. Whether you're diving into crystal clear waters or capturing adventurous moments on land, the HERO12 Black ensures that every scene bursts with clarity and vivid colors. One of the standout features of the HERO12 Black is its high dynamic range capabilities for both video and photo, which enhances your content significantly. This technology excels in challenging lighting conditions, allowing you to capture details that might otherwise get lost in shadows or bright highlights. You'll enjoy true-to-life colors and rich contrasts, making your footage look more professional than ever. The camera also allows you to take stunning 27-megapixel photos and extract high-quality 24.7-megapixel stills from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. With a 2.27-inch screen and Bluetooth connectivity, navigating through settings and sharing your moments is effortless. Designed with the adventurous spirit in mind, the HERO12 Black combines durability and top-tier performance, making it a reliable companion for your underwater explorations and beyond. Elevate your photography and videography experiences with impressive image quality that captures every detail of your adventures. Number 4. OM System TUF TG7, our find for best waterproof compact camera. If you believe the Olympus TG6 had mastered the art of waterproof technology, prepare to be impressed by the OM System TG7. This camera retains the rugged durability you loved while introducing enhancements that cater to your adventurous lifestyle. Whether you're exploring underwater wonders or trekking through muddy landscapes, the TG7 is your reliable companion for capturing every moment. One standout feature is the built-in microscope setting, allowing you to take detailed close-up shots of intricate subjects, from flowers to insects. With the field sensor system, you can include GPS coordinates and ambient temperature in your photos, providing context and personalization to your memories. Additionally, the TG7 boasts impressive 4K video capabilities at 30 frames per second and Full HD recording up to 120 frames per second, making it easy to capture fast-moving action or create stunning slow-motion sequences. Coupled with a versatile 25 to 100mm optical zoom lens, you can photograph subjects from a comfortable distance without sacrificing detail. The camera's robust hand grip ensures a secure hold, allowing you to navigate rugged terrains and aquatic environments without fear of dropping it. The internal zoom mechanism protects the lens from potential damage, ensuring the TG7 stands up to your adventures. In summary, the OM System TG7 is not just a waterproof camera, it's engineered for those who embrace adventure and wish to document it with precision and flair. Dive in and make unforgettable memories with this exceptional camera. Still searching for the perfect compact camera? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Sony RX100 VII, our find for best compact zoom camera. If you're searching for a compact camera that combines portability with impressive zoom capabilities, the Sony RX100 VII is an excellent choice. This pocket-sized marvel functions as a versatile tool for photographers of all levels, effortlessly fitting into your backpack without adding bulk. Equipped with a 1-inch type sensor, the RX100 VII offers superior image quality compared to typical compact cameras. Its advanced stack design allows for rapid shooting at an astonishing 20 frames per second, minimizing rolling shutter distortion that can detract from action shots. Whether you're capturing fast-moving subjects or serene landscapes, this camera delivers remarkable clarity. The flexibility of the 24 to 200mm full-frame equivalent lens makes it easy to frame breathtaking portraits or expansive vistas. You'll also appreciate the convenience of the pop-up viewfinder and flash, which integrate seamlessly into the camera's design and are ready to deploy whenever needed. While the battery life may not be the strongest feature, having a couple of spares on hand can ensure you don't miss out on capturing precious moments. If the RX100 VII stretches your budget, consider exploring the older RX100 models available on the second-hand market, an opportunity to save while still obtaining a quality camera. In a world where memories are made in an instant, the Sony RX100 VII empowers you to capture those moments with style and ease. Happy shooting! Number 2. Fujifilm X100V are fined for Best Splurge Compact Camera. If you're seeking a travel companion that combines style with exceptional functionality, the Fujifilm X100V is the ideal choice for you. This compact camera is equipped with a remarkable 23mm f2 lens and delivers an impressive 26.1 megapixel resolution, ensuring your photos stand out and capture the essence of your experiences. With built-in film simulation modes, you can easily achieve your desired aesthetic, whether you prefer a vintage look or a modern touch. The X100V features a hybrid viewfinder that allows you to switch seamlessly between a 0.52x optical viewfinder and a detailed 3.69 m.0 LED electronic viewfinder. This versatile functionality enhances your shooting experience, making it enjoyable and intuitive. The 3-inch tilting touchscreen provides additional flexibility, enabling you to record stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second, perfect for showcasing breathtaking sunrises or vibrant street scenes. For those who don't let a little weather hinder their creativity, you can enhance the X100V with an adapter ring and weather sealing lens, ensuring you can capture moments rain or shine. With dimensions of 2.1 by 5.04 by 2.94 inches and weighing just 1.05 pounds, it's lightweight and compact enough for spontaneous adventures. With the Fujifilm X100V in your bag, you're truly equipped to explore and document the world around you, one captivating shot at a time. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Sony ZV-1 are fined for Best Compact Camera overall. If you are a vlogger or content creator seeking a compact yet powerful tool to elevate your videos, the Sony ZV-1 is an excellent choice. This lightweight camera, weighing just 0.65 pounds and measuring 4.15 by 2.36 by 1.7 inch, fits seamlessly into your bag, making it effortless to take along on your creative adventures. With its impressive 20.1 megapixel resolution, your videos and selfies will capture stunning detail, helping you connect with your audience on a whole new level. The ZV-1 features advanced real-time eye autofocus and subject tracking technology, ensuring you always remain in sharp focus while you express your unique personality. Its innovative side flip-out 3-inch LCD screen tilts, allowing you to frame your shots perfectly, whether you're filming a tutorial or sharing a fun moment. Audio quality is just as critical as video, and the ZV-1 delivers with a 3.5mm microphone jack, a 2.5mm mic connection, and an MI shoe. This enables you to enhance your sound, providing your viewers with a truly immersive experience. Additionally, the camera allows you to shoot breathtaking Ultra HD 4K footage at 30 frames per second, showcasing your content in striking clarity. The Sony ZV-1 is designed to help you focus more on your creativity while ensuring every detail shines. With this camera by your side, you're equipped to create captivating content that resonates with your audience. Are you ready to take your videos to the next level? That's a wrap! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which compact camera you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.